below in my other one. So you guys could by shy hey Shane hay she said, but maybe you shy you don't need to. It's so stupid. I just wanted to comment on his video, but I did not because I am a man. Oh, I'm not going to talk about his forehead because I'm not like him who's going to say people's ugly this and that because I respect that. Your parents created you, and if I'm insulting you that you're ugly, then I'm insulting your parents. I don't want to do that. So, Chen Bang, if you have a problem with me, just call me. Why you gotta make such a fool out of yourself? Like, bây giờ mong vậy vậy hả? Vậy ô đồ. Bây giờ mong vậy nó xỉa tha luôn này. Yes, it's that guy. But yes, I encourage you guys, go report his YouTube. Go report it. I'm telling you, go report it. If you don't report it, one day he's gonna be talking about your kids and you're gonna be hella mad. And then I'm gonna be like, nay, guys. My love, you answer me. It's unexpected for me too. Unfortunately, one of our Hmong stars he's a real sad jerk. So, basta, okay. So, whatever it is, I highly encourage you guys to...
Hi!
Hi! So, Milo, I understand you are one of our Miss Hmongs too. So, what do you think about the situation?
Well, I'm like you. I'm against it. It's like they were my bully, yeah. So we understand, and to get to where we are at as a Miss Hmong, we challenge ourselves and we go for it, even though people they pay and stuff in the community,
Mm-hmm.
So I do feel like what he did is wrong because like you said, we're all humans,
Yep. Mm-hmm. Yeah,
it was pretty tempting. He makes you want to like do something about it,
Mm. Yep, basically just because they size is not your girls, it doesn't mean that we worked any less, to get the title or to get where we are. Cái tụi bé muốn nói bé chỉ bảo kia tiểu, bé ở yên liễu nó nè, bé yên mua đâu, đâu bé được king him but accomplishing it's one barrier for other people to see that the girl not only no because of this, and he just need to accept it. That in our Hmong community, we do not have that line of trời ơi nãy trong cô vậy tụi nó nè, thôi trời chị giờ luôn chứ mà chị trong cô tụi nó nè, thôi trời ơi trời tụi nó like come on, that's just ridiculous. And I don't know, it's just surprising to see somebody that that beside their own movie and should really understand the Hmong community to come out like this.
Yeah,
it's shocking.
Yeah. But I know, like when you think about it, it's like he's out there in the community and he bought there, and he bought there, or like he should know the best because you do a movie and you just sign it down, and you shouldn't be judging people like this. It's like we don't choose to look like this. Create us like this. We can't choose to how we look. So it's like, why are we going to go against our look? And why is he choosing look over anything? Like, so what did your movie and it's like your and Taiwan go on a but then she's like, oh, it's a high low. or coy, or they're gonna act better, you know. They're not gonna overact or anything like that. Like, doesn't he think like that too, you know?
Mm-hmm. Correct. So I totally agree with you, and thank you for your opinion, my love, and for encouraging all of our girls. So catch you later. Okay, I'm going to invite one of my other pageant people on here. But yes, I think it's very hurtful, but it just shows us who we should support.
Hello.
So we are on my live, and we're sending some messages to Chen Vang and you as a pageant person in our community, and especially from, I would say, a guy's perspective too. What do you think about what Chen said?
It's really close-minded because it's so dumb. Like, if you were to make a video talking crap about plus-size Miss Mo, at least show your face to the whole world. And for all the plus-size people, don't be discouraged of what he said because he's nobody. You know, everybody is born to this world to be fat, skinny, medium size. Yeah, but you know, God created you like that, and you should embrace your body and don't let people discourage you as a person. And I'm very proud that, you know, plus size people that is running for pageant and they do win the title and make the supposedly beauty pageant, the pretty girls loses. Why is that a problem or an issue in the Hmong community? Because when Lily won her year, it was an issue.
And what do you think about him thinking he qualifies to sit in the front to be one of the judges for a pageant?
To be honest, he did not meet the qualification to be a fucking judge. Like, to be a judge, you have to be really open-minded and you have to be like really nice and know what you're saying and before you're saying it. So basically, if he was a judge, even though like we were talking to one of our friends from here, she was telling us that if we were to do a beauty pageant, the most prettiest one, she always win, even though she's not smart or talented or know how to speak Hmong. Even though she sucked at all of that, she should win automatically because she's pretty. And I told her that that's American people. American people is beauty pageants. Miss Hmong is a Miss Hmong. Like anybody can enter, plus size, pretty, not so pretty, normal looking. It doesn't matter. So she was like, it doesn't matter because she's still pretty. She should win. No, it doesn't work like that. That's what Hmong people need to understand, that Miss Hmong does not mean beauty pageants.
Correct. Yep, so thank you for your time. Thank you for your opinion. And yes, I think that what he said was very wrong because, you know, you've obviously experienced your discrimination. I've experienced my discrimination. So what do you have to say to everybody who's being discriminated against, like from plus size or even bisexuality?
Don't be discouraged because you know what? We still do more than the title holders.
Well,
and
yeah.
Also,
but I think that even the title holders or anybody, they did like, much more than Chen Pei. So
it doesn't matter because he's not known anymore. Like he disappeared, and like when I saw it, I was like, "Who the fudge is Chen Vang?" And I have to like really go into like the video to see who the heck this person is. Like he's irrelevant. Like he's not even out there anymore. He's just like, you know, he wants attention now because people don't give him attention anymore. And people like that don't deserve attention, and that's why he don't have attention anymore. So he's seeking attention to attack people so people would go and view his video more. But
Yeah. So
people that is facing discrimination and beauty pageant, don't feel discouraged because you know what? At the end of the day, you're still doing it for yourself and you're still doing it for your Hmong people.
correct. So you go and you go right now and you go report his YouTube too. So thank you, Mingo.
Oh no, I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna do a video first. And I'm gonna say, you know, you cái ô video na, cái chỉ số có nhân mò ha, cái xong bảo lấy trà ông đây nè, biết
He has a
chưa?
gun in his hand, guys.
Like, cái chỉ số có nhân mò, like if you want to make a public video and post it publicly so the whole universe could see this video, at least show your face so we know who you are. And like, don't be scared of hiding behind a microphone, talking all this crap about somebody and stealing people's photo. Because you know what? In the United States, you could get sued because you stole somebody's photo.
Correct. And if he just did it to my photo, I'm just gonna be like, yeah, I'm getting mad too, but don't do that to Shelly, you know? Seriously. Ending no ma.
Yeah, like, and the other photo that he pulled of those skinny girl, they're not even Hmong people. Those are like Hmong Blanc or Laos people or something.
Oh my god. Thank you, Mingo, for coming on. I'll invite somebody else now. Bye. Okay, so I don't know, there's not much to say about it. I'm very disgusted. I'm very grossed out by somebody that would think this way. And I want to invite one of my pageant mommies onto here. Ow. Ayo, pastor. She doesn't have a life. So but yes, I think it's ridiculous. And anybody who wants to, you know, I don't be discouraged about it. But, you know, cái tính này agree na kì cái chỉ mà cái delete cái ta xin đó.
Yeah, I think he deleted. He removed it.
Huh?
They removed.
Really?
Yep.
He did? Well, then he should. Good thing you. Oh, there are your people. The report let me remove. So thank you guys for reporting it. Now report his whole YouTube. Report his whole YouTube. Just because he deleted the video doesn't mean anything. He's gonna go ahead and still keep talking about it. Okay. He's living off like talking smack on people. Come on, what's wrong with you? Seriously. Ugh. See, like, people like that make my head hurt. Come on, guys. Yeah. Chen Vang, you better be scared of me. That's it. But I'm just kidding. I just think it's funny. It is kind of sad though. So just like that here, we just got to forgive people like that. But you know, couldn't watch the whole video because he just sounded so disgusting. Of course, it is disgusting. It is disgusting. It's demeaning. And then you're like, is he Hmong? Like, come on. He's talking about us. I mean, he's talking about me, but still, that's sad. That's probably why nobody chose him to run any events yet. Gosh. If any of y'all support Chen Vang, may the demons rise from your soul and may the Lord be with you. But that's it, guys. I don't have anything else to say. You guys have a good day. Have a good life. Don't be acting like Chen Vang.